So we're taking chicken from everyday to something extra with a recipe that you don't need to be a rock star in the kitchen to put together.
But I am a rock star in the kitchen, kind of, sometimes. But he is actually the real rock star in the kitchen. This is Chef Jayaun Smith to show us to make. I'm doing excellent, man. Thank you. How are you?
I'm great this morning. It's a little early, but I'm always good. I'm energetic.
Yeah, that's right. We have to have those few cups of coffee. But what are we making today here? What do you got lined up for us?
So today we're doing a Tuscan stuffed chicken breast, and it's real easy to do. I think it would be a very good recipe to do for Valentine's Day, just to spice up a chicken breast.
So this is something that, you know, we're trying to impress that special person in our life. So you want to make it personal, right?
Right.
So this is something you make on your own?
So with love. So I'm going to start off with 2 slices of mozzarella cheese, and I've already slit just a little pocket right here in the chicken, as you can see.
So a lot of people will pound the breast down to thin them out real good. Did you do that at all, or did you just take it and then put the slit down the center there?
I trust my cooking well enough not to have to pound it down because I know that my chicken is going to come out tender, and you're going to get to try that, and you can vouch for it.
Okay, perfect.
And then I'm gonna go and layer some spinach right here. This is just fresh spinach leaves, and I'm just stuffing it right in here.
All right.
And then if you got some bigger or smaller tomatoes, you could do 1 or you could do 2. I'm gonna try to get 2 in here.
Specific type of tomato are you using? Or?
I'm using a Roma tomato. I just sliced it right down. And we're gonna take 3 toothpicks, and we're just gonna easily
button it back up there?
Yes, close it.
Where'd you learn to make this dish at?
I wanted to make it at culinary school, but really I perfected it with one of my chef mentors I studied under for 2 years.
All right.
And you see we got this closed up right here. So we're gonna just season this.
Cool. So a little salt, a little oregano, a little something else there?
Yes, a little black pepper.
Okay.
And then what you could do easily with this, you can just place this right in the pan, top it off with some butter, place it in the oven for about 40 minutes.
Yeah. And that'll cook right in that pan right there?
Yes, right in that pan.
Okay. Now, I know sometimes people will put like some garlic in the butter and everything when they cook that up. Or?
What I do, and I've also attached a special garlic sauce recipe that you could do. Add just a little bit of heavy cream, garlic, and then just some more Italian seasoning.
Yeah.
And you just put it right there in that pan and put it in the oven. When you pop it out, it builds up this nice little crispy sauce. When you take it out, this is what you have right here.
Look at that. Now, I know we just got done with the Super Bowl yesterday, and I've heard that you do some cooking for some of our local Chiefs players.
Yes,
is that
sir.
true?
Yes, sir.
Who do you cook for?
So I cook for Sammy Watkins, Jordan Lucas, Orlando Scandrick, Steven Nelson. The list kind of goes on and on, man. I've been having a lot of fun with them this season, really getting a chance to grow with them, learn more about the NFL and health a little bit is more too. So I'm having fun
when
with
these
them.
top-level athletes go to eat and they're coming to you, what type of dishes are you making them? Are you making them some stuffed chicken? I see like a lot of protein they're probably going to want to eat, right?
I am making them things like this, and excuse them, they do have a lot of cheat days, and I have to get them back on track because they look at my Instagram and see, oh man, you just made the shrimp fried rice, or oh, I see you just made this fried food. I'm like, no, we're in the middle of the season. Maybe after Sunday on that Monday when you get an off day, we can go ahead and try something new, but during the week, let's try something healthy. So
it's like your Instagram is their menu. They just flip through that and they're like, well, we're gonna try that, we're gonna try that, we're gonna try that.
Perfectly.
All right.
So go ahead and give it a try.
So here we go. This is the Tuscan chicken stuffed with, we got the spinach, we got the tomatoes, seasoned with some black pepper and some oregano. I'm gonna go for the whole piece here.
Go ahead, do it.
So, see, this is the problem with doing this because then I can't talk, and I think people don't want to watch me chew, you know. So,
Tender.
You got a secret for making chicken breast that tender like that, man?
What I like to do, especially when sauteing chicken breast, I like to sear it on the stove just for a little bit sometimes, and then I will finish it in the oven at an internal temperature of 165. A lot of people, especially with cooking this chicken breast, you really want to make sure that internal temperature is 165.
And how do you do by searing it like that? Does that help keep the moisture in it, you think?
It helps keep the moisture, but it also speeds it up just a little bit, locking in that outside crust, and then just finishing it nice and slow in that oven. Yeah. It's perfect.
Man, that's delicious.
Yeah,
well, hey, we sure do appreciate you coming on the show today. Belinda, you got to try some of this. This is ridiculously good. Over to you.